Hi, my dear students. You are watching Brain Master Spoken English. Sometime you ask me how to improve our spoken English. If you would like to speak some phrase to express yourself at any place is easy. Remember, one thing spoken English is based on your understanding and calibrate. If you would like to be a good speaker, start now. Start now. Speak, speak, speak. Let's start right off by saying there is not a magic pill for better speaking. Here I am not a magician that I shall use the prescription for better speaking. First, you judge yourself. Am I a good listener? Do I take attention to a speaker? Do I confuse? Would I like to override confusion by listening again and again? If you say yes, I can firmly say you will be a good speaker in future. Now, you start listening. You listen some small clips of spoken English. Be careful. Some native English speakers speak fast and their pronunciation is hardly understandable. It's better for you to choose some easy clips. May you feel bored, but you should not wane away. You listen once again to guess the words which are difficult for you and hard for understanding. You try to consult the dictionary. Finally, you should be a good reader. You ask your tutor or your teacher to suggest you some story books. You should not read superficially. You try to read it with quiescent mind, very peaceful mind, and underline the difficult words. Remember, vocabs or power of vocabs is most important power that can help you to express yourself aptly. Okay, now I am taking a small piece of writing. Then I will write it before you. It is very easy that you can understand it. Here I am taking. Listen, the boy who cried wolf. It is a well-known story for everyone. Now, the writer is writing like this. One of the boys in a village was sent out into fields to look after the sheep. Here, one of the boys, that means a boy is alone. One of the boys among the villagers was sent out into fields to look after the sheep, to guiding the sheep. This sentence is very easy that you can understand. Then, mind you, take care of them and don't let them stray. Mind you, now they are giving the suggestion. They are awareing the boy. Mind you, take care of them and don't let them stray. Don't let them stray. That means you always keep the eyes upon them. Story reading also helps a writer, a speaker to improve in English. Okay, said the villager to him. Who said? The villager said to him. Okay, this sentence is very fine. Next, and keep a good look out for wolves. Now they are telling him. They already tell him that you should Look after them. Them means sheep. Look out for wolves. Beware of wolves. Keep away from wolves. That means you will be always careful. Or the next thing, don't go far away. You don't go far. Don't go far. That means you should stay near the village yard. And if you see wolf coming near the sheep, it is very easy sentence. Now look at shout out. Shout out. That means cried out. Wolf. Cried out. Wolf. As loudly as you can. According to your capacity, you cried out. Wolf, wolf. You can, and you will come at once to help you. We will come at once to help you. That means your villagers are giving him the consent that if the wolf will come, then you will shout out, cried out, wolf, wolf. They also says that they will come quickly to hearing this sound. Now, this small clip, no doubt, it is a small but full of knowledge. If you would like to take knowledge, you can read any story once again, and underline the difficult word. It is the most important things I am telling here, that reading also improve your speaking capacities. Sometime you should try to speak the word loudly or before the mirror and read the story once again till you do not understand. If you understand it, then you try to speak before the mirror or with your friend. This is the way to improve your speaking art. It is easy, very easy. If you write, then you can write on it. I hope that all of you understand the passage, what I would like to say. Again, in the next class, I will tell you, you will apply the translation method or not. Whenever you are speaking, you will apply the translation method or not. How the translation method hurt the language, disturb the language. Language is coming from your heart to mind and to your mouth. Then translation method, how check up you to speak perfectly. If you would like to be a perfect speaker, you speak freely. That I am standing high. Whatever I am speaking, I am not looking at any things. I am looking at you, and you are sitting over there and you are listening to me. Thanks. I shall meet you again